Just in the nick of time, we have a special Dazzles combination of Halloween and spooky thing. Well, not too spooky. You can see that there are 7 sheets, and they are about 241, well actually, exactly 241 pieces on all of these. And you can see we've got a variety of finishes. So this is Halloween Cuties in black, and then we also have a brand new Haunted Halloween Times, so kind of spooky looking, very fun. We have a Flying Witch. In fact, I'll show you a project in a second. We also have the purple Dazzles. This is Trick or Treat with the gold foil or silver foiling on the edge, gold foiling on this one, and here is Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. Just really fun. Always love the fact that there's the borders, the words, the images, and all sorts of little accent pieces. Here is Black Glitter with the silver foiling, and you can see all the pieces on that pretty clearly. This is our Bones Dazzles, so these are white. I'm going to show you a project using this. And then we have the Too Cute to Spook, which is one of my favorites. Absolutely charming in black. So lots of finishes. What can you do with them? Well, let me pull out some projects and show you. We can start with the Too Cute to Spook, so you can see backing them with paper. That works really, really well. As I told you, the ones that are with the gold are just a beautiful look, and you can see a border, you can see the corners. Happy Haunting is one of the greetings on one of them, so that works nicely. The brand new Haunted Halloween Times. Here is an example. We've used some glitter paper behind it. You can see that witch flying, and its best witches is what is proclaiming there for you. Also have the Bone Dazzles. Now those are the white ones, and they're going to look really great on anything that's a dark color. So let me show you that. Very fun. Yes, this paper had these spider webs on it, but you could certainly draw that with a white pen, couldn't you? And you can see the boo right there. Again, we've combined a couple of them together. And then that purple grouping, the Trick or Treat, here they are coming out of a Halloween pocket. And very fun. These have been backed with paper. You can color them in or not. So that's our Halloween. I know we're just here in the nick of time, but we are here. So no tricks, only treats with 241 Dazzles ready for you.